Chia seeds! You've heard the hype, seen them sprinkled on Instagram-worthy smoothie bowls, but are they really the superfood everyone claims? Stick around because in the next 3 minutes, we're diving deep into why these tiny seeds could be the ultimate game changer for your diet, beauty routine, and overall health. Oh, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to use them for weight loss, glowing skin, and more. Ready? Let's go. First off, let's address the elephant in the room. Why would anyone eat bird food? Spoiler alert, it's not because we want to fly south for the winter. These tiny seeds pack a serious punch. Chia seeds are loaded with fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. In other words, they're like the Swiss Army knife of the seed world. But wait, there's more. Let's talk about chia seeds for weight loss. Trying to shed those extra pounds? Chia seeds can help. They expand in your stomach, making you feel full longer. That means less snacking, more strutting. Just toss a tablespoon into your morning smoothie or yogurt and voila! Instant appetite suppressant. But don't take my word for it. Try it yourself and watch the magic happen. Now, for the beauty enthusiasts out there, here's a hot tip: chia seeds for glowing skin. Yes, you heard that right. Mix them with honey and a bit of lemon juice, slap that goop on your face, and let the antioxidants do their thing. Not only will your skin glow, but you'll also look like you've just stepped out of a very fancy salad bar. Oops, there's a twist coming. Ever tried using chia seeds in cooking? They can be a bit, well, slimy. Add too much water and you're in for a gel-like surprise. Not enough and you're munching on crunchy bits. It's a balancing act, people. But fear not, I've got you covered. For a perfect chia pudding, mix 3 tablespoons of chia seeds with 1 cup of almond milk, a dash of vanilla extract, and a sweetener of your choice. Stir well, refrigerate overnight, and bam! Breakfast of champions. So what's the key? Master these tiny seeds and you're looking at a versatile ingredient that boosts your health, aids weight loss, and even enhances your beauty routine. Remember, good things come in small packages. Chia seeds are living proof. Now go forth and conquer the world of chia seeds. Your body and skin will thank you. And if anyone asks why you're glowing, just smile and say, "It's the seeds, baby." And really, why won't you hit that subscribe button or even like this video? Don't be a Debbie Downer. See you next time.